안녕하세요. 레이첼입니다. Today I am going to unbox my Moija K-friends gift. So let's do it. It just came today from Seoul Korea. It is delivered by EMS. I paid 112 pesos, equivalent to 2,001, and this includes the 2 hand cream and face sheet mask. So, let's open the box. So, I sanitize the box before I get the box inside the house. So, I don't want to break the sticker. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. Okay. Thank you for your order. Thank you very much for ordering products from K-friends Moija Market. We sent you the products you ordered. Please leave a review about the product on your social media accounts. We look forward to your continued support for K-friends, of course. And thank you. So, bubble wraps. Oh, so this is the face mask, and I have the 2 hand cream. I'm sorry. So okay, it's handy, so I can take it and bring with me on my bag. So let's see. It's still closed. So this is Serum Hand Cream Citron. So this is green tangerine I don't know. I'll keep you posted. Okay? Bye-bye.